Welcome to this CompSkill how-to video. In this video we're going to look at Excel's floor function. Now you may have seen our recent video on the ceiling function. These are partner functions really, they just do the opposite to each other. So the floor function allows you to round a number towards 0 by a given multiple. So here are our numbers again, and we're going to start off by typing in equals and start writing floor, because we can bring up that list, and then I'm just going to go ahead and open up the function argument editor. So the number that I want to round is the value in cell A11, and I'm going to do it by a significance of 1 to start with. And okay, so multiples of 1 towards 0, so it rounds it down to 3. And if we look at that, and we've got this one rounds toward, well, away from 0 at -2, I beg your pardon. So let's go in and open this up again and just change our multiple, and we will do multiples of 4. So when we did ceiling and we did a multiple of 4, 3.89 returned a 4. In this case it won't, it will return a 0 because that's the lowest multiple of 4. And if we carry on down, we can see right down to our -4. So that's the floor function. It does the opposite of the ceiling function. Absolutely useful for any kind of rounding and kind of fun to play around with. I hope that you come back to CompSkill how-tos for the next one, and just to make sure you don't miss out, why not just go ahead and subscribe? We'd love you to do that. Thank you, until next time.